Have you ever faced a storm in your life? Troubling times can feel overwhelming, but there is hope and a way through. Today, we'll explore how to overcome life's difficulties. We'll break it down into clear, actionable steps. These insights will help you regain control and thrive. First, acknowledge your feelings. It's okay to feel scared or lost. Accept your emotions, they are valid. This step sets the foundation for healing. Next, identify the storm's source. What's causing your difficulties? Is it work, relationships, or personal challenges? Understanding the root helps guide your response. Then, focus on what you can control. You can't change everything in a storm. Adjust your mindset toward things you can influence. This creates a sense of power and direction. Reach out for support. Talk to friends or family. Consider professional help if needed. You don't have to face storms alone. Engage in self-care practices. Exercise, meditate, or dive into hobbies. These activities renew your energy and spirit. Prioritize your mental and physical health. Stay positive and practice gratitude. Reflect on what's good in your life. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positives. It allows hope and positivity to flourish. Now let's consider an example. Think of a time you faced a challenge. Remember how you felt and what you did. You likely found strength you didn't know existed. This ability is within you for future storms. Each challenge equips you for the next. Growth often comes through overcoming difficulties. In summary, storms are part of life. Acknowledge your feelings and identify the source. Focus on what you can control and seek support. Engage in self-care and practice gratitude. These steps enhance resilience against life's storms. Ready to reclaim your power? Start implementing these steps today. Share your journey with us in the comments. Remember, you are stronger than your storms.